Diesel's long haul.
Titipo and Diesel are heading back to Choo Choo Town after work.
We're back, Mr. Herb.
Welcome back. You guys must be tired. Diesel, it's your long haul to Jungle Station tomorrow.
Yeah! What?
Diesel is going for a long haul tomorrow?
That's right.
Is that true? I'm so excited!
Congratulations, Diesel.
You need to deliver containers to Jungle Station from the distribution center. Load more containers there and come back.
I'm off to Jungle Station.
Diesel,
Huh?
are you that excited?
Yeah.
It'll take you a few days to get there, so prepare yourself. Why don't you go rest up now?
Sure!
Diesel, the road to Jungle Station can get confusing, so take care.
Oh, yeah, I'll do that.
Good night, Diesel.
Good night, Titipo. Man, I can't believe I'm going on a long haul.
The next morning, Diesel got a wash in order to get clean for the long haul.
Good morning, Diesel.
Oh,
Hi, Diesel.
good morning.
I heard you're going on a long haul.
How do you feel about it?
Oh, I feel okay. Not, I feel so happy and excited.
Have a safe trip.
Thanks, guys. I'll see you later.
Be safe, Diesel.
Hi, Mr. Herb.
Diesel, you're here. Have a very safe trip and let me know if anything happens.
There's no need to worry. Nothing will happen.
I like your confidence.
Well, I'll be going now.
You need to be alert at all times so you don't get lost.
Yes!
Diesel went to the distribution center to pick up the containers.
You're Diesel that's going to Jungle Station?
Yep. Load me up, please.
Mm-hmm. There you go. All done.
Then I'll be off now.
Great. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. Wow. That must be the main station. Whoa. It's so awesome.
After passing the main station, Diesel headed for Jungle Station. It's the next morning.
Oh,
Good morning.
good morning.
I haven't seen you before. Nice to meet you. My name's Strong.
My name is Diesel.
Oh, and where are you heading to?
I'm going to Jungle Station.
Jungle Station. That's so far away.
Well, yes, very far, but I can handle it, sure.
Really? You're so awesome. I'm so jealous.
Don't be. I'm sure you'll get to go there as well.
Oh, but Diesel.
Yeah?
Isn't the route to Jungle Station actually back over there?
It is? Well, there are other routes.
Ah, I see. Well, I have to go this way.
See you later.
Goodbye, Diesel.
Oh, I should really check the route to Jungle Station again. Oh, I did miss it. Oh, but there is another route. Here I go. Wow! What an amazing forest! But am I still on the right track?
Hi, Diesel.
Hello, sir.
I called to see how you were doing. Is everything okay?
Oh, of course. Everything's going to plan.
Then you'll be arriving at Jungle Station very soon.
What? Oh, yes, of course. Mr. Herb, I need to hang up.
But
I'm gonna be so late if I don't hurry up. Yeah! Oh? It's a volcano. Oh no! I better hurry! Oh no! Even the tracks are on fire!
Titipo, titipo.
Even the tracks are on fire!
Yeah. Hey there, are you okay? No trains were meant to be passing at this hour.
Well, I...
Hurry, get out of here!
Okay.
Please take care.
Yes, sir!
Diesel escaped the fire to the nearest station, thanks to the fire truck.
Welcome. Don't worry, it's safe here.
Thank you very much. Is the fire under control now?
No, it's getting worse. We need to evacuate the fire truck.
Oh.
Huh? Oh.
The fire is spreading, so let's pull out.
Thank you. I'll extinguish the fire on the tracks as I leave.
Be careful.
Yeah? Oh, no. I'm gonna start from this side. Oh, no, I'm out of water. I should get out of here.
I'm back! We're here now, so don't worry!
The fire truck and Diesel worked together to put out the fires in the forest.
So, let's meet a brave train that put out the bushfire last night. Great job, my friend. Did you get injured at all?
Although we all dispatched to the fire scene, we couldn't have done it without the train over there.
Oh, is that so? Well, let's go.
Sure.
Let's meet the train that did a great job in putting the fire out.
No, they can't broadcast that I'm here. I shouldn't be. I'd better run. I get going. Goodbye! Goodbye, everyone!
Oh no, oh dear. The train has simply left. Today I'm at the scene to meet a train that put out a big bushfire.
A bushfire?
But the hero that put out the fire refused to be interviewed and left as it was nothing.
Hey, isn't that Diesel over there?
Diesel arrived at Jungle Station.
Hi there, sir.
Thanks for coming. You're a bit late. Did something happen?
Well, I took a wrong turn, so I had to come the long way.
Diesel loaded the containers and departed Jungle Station to travel back home.
I'm back!
Great job, Diesel.
I'm finally back.
Diesel returned to Choo Choo Town after his long haul.
Hello, Mr. Herb. I'm back again.
Oh, Diesel, I'm glad you're back. Did anything happen?
Oh, of course not. What makes you say that?
Diesel?
Yeah?
You're sure nothing happened?
What do you mean by that?
Oh, Diesel, I thought I briefly saw you at the scene of the bushfire.
Bushfire? Well, I happened to be passing through.
But that's not the route to Jungle Station, so why did you go there? Did you get lost on the way?
Well, I'm so tired, Mr. Herb. I'm gonna go get some rest.
Hey, wait, Diesel, why are you running away?
Oh, I'm so tired. Really tired.
Diesel, you're back!
Hey, you guys!
Did you have a good trip?
Of course.
Did anything exciting happen? I'm sure something happened.
Something exciting? I'm sorry, guys. I'm just tired, so I'm gonna get some rest.
Okay.
Goodbye, guys.
Diesel,
Huh?
we heard you put out the bushfire.
It would have been really bad if it weren't for you. You must be tired. Get some rest.
Thank you. See you guys tomorrow.
So many things happened, but Diesel finished his first long haul. Diesel, well done. Job well done.
Sweet.